Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are taking you on a 3-day adventure to Kelowna, BC. We are starting from Calgary and heading west through the snowy Canadian Rockies. It is March, so even though it is winter's end, the roads are still a bit snowy. There were two scary sections of road near Lake Louise, but thankfully we made it through without any trouble. Once past the snowy parts, the roads are dry and we can relax and enjoy the stunning snow-capped mountains in the national parks. We reached Golden pretty quickly and the sun is shining bright. We made our usual stop at Tim Hortons in Golden to refuel and to take a short break before we hit the road back again. Driving through the Glacier National Park was breathtaking. The mountains are all covered in snow and it's a sight to behold. I was worried about the snowy roads, but everything was clear after field. Before long, we arrived in Revelstoke and then Sycamores. From Sycamores, the landscape changed dramatically. The snow-covered mountains gave way to dry fields and lakes. Hello, good morning. Finally, we arrived in downtown Kelowna. We met up with our friends and wasted no time exploring the city, starting with the waterfront. It's hard not to think about the wildfires that hit Kelowna last year. As we stroll along the docks, the damage is still visible, a sobering reminder of the power of nature. After a bit of city exploration, we headed to our Airbnb. And now we introduce you to our friends and give you a tour of the house. Later, we venture out again, this time to a quiet neighborhood near a park up in the mountains. It's called Jones Family Nature Reserve. The landscape here is mostly brown due to the recent wildfires, which is heartbreaking to see. Despite the damage, we kept an eye out for wildlife and learned about the animals that call this area home. The view of Okanagan Lake from the mountain is stunning. We are not the only ones enjoying it. There are rock climbers here too. Can you spot the rock climber here? As we hiked back up the mountain, we reflected on the park's history and how it became a nature reserve. Even though many trees appear dry and dead, they are just shredded for the last winter. But they'll bloom once again in a few weeks. The views on the way down were incredible, and then we decided to call it a day. That wraps up our first day in Kelowna. Stay tuned for the next video to see where we get up on the day 2. See you soon!